embroidering a name and gift wrapping our rabbit rag doll. This is Woolie Rabbiee, the rabbit emerald, one of our blissful bunny handcrafted rabbit rag dolls. Woolie is being given as a birthday present to a 1-year-old boy called Hansel. But first we are going to embroider Hansel's name on Woolie's ear. Personalisation is available with our rabbit rag dolls for a small fee. I think it's time to speed things up. While we're doing this, let me tell you that Woolie has a number of friends that are also looking for homes. I'm sure they would love to come and live with you. Find your favourite bunny at 17uk.com and search for rabbit rag dolls. We also offer a variety of mini dolls, each standing at just 6 inches tall. To explore our entire collection of rag dolls, visit our website, click on Shop and select Handmade Rag Dolls. Each of our rag dolls is lovingly handcrafted with care and attention to detail, and they are eager to find a warm and loving home. These dolls are little bundles of joy, with hearts full of love, ready to bring warmth and comfort into your life. They dream of being cherished companions, creating lasting memories and brightening the days of those they are with. By welcoming one of our rag dolls into your home, you're embracing a friend who is longing for a family to love. Visit our website today and let one of these charming little friends find their way into your heart. We decided to give Woolie a little extra touch of personalisation. Now we just need to make sure Woolie looks neat and tidy, and then he'll be ready to be packed. Don't worry, he'll be fine. No toys were hurt in the making of this video. Time for the gift wrapping.